This is Big Booty Panda.
You're just a raccoon without the trash!
I don't know why I'm panicked. It didn't scare me. Oh, that's lame. No, no. Oh, that should have been a game over. That should have been game over. That was almost my game over moment. Okay. I should not be alive right there. The game, definitely loves me. So, I need to start remembering that whenever they go over the fence to start hitting them with the axe. There's just no purpose to stomp on their heads unless there's one of them only. Alright, lesson learned. Let's see if I can do this, right? Awful. Something smells awful. Yeah, it's called all these corpses. There's really nothing we can do about it. Alright. So, it's ride or die time. I'm just gonna keep these in my inventory since I'm gonna try running there as fast as I can, and then once I make it to the gas station I'll start shooting and filling up my gas canister as fast as possible. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Alright. I'm a little nervous. I know that's pretty notable. Oh, has my vehicle been on this entire time? No. Surely not. Oh, thought I crashed. What's up, guys? What's up, fellas? Oh. Alright, there's the fire station. Oh, don't do that. Alright, time to go the farthest I've ever went. In the hopes of clearing out the gas station in a shootout. Whoops. Sorry. It wasn't my fault. Oh man. There's a lot of you guys. I know the gas station's nearby. I think it's the next one after Spiffo. Spiffo's Diner, I think it's right here. Nope, this is the mechanics. It's the next one. Oh wow, he has a duffel bag. Or I should say, I'm going to have a duffel bag. Honestly, I don't even think I need to use the gun right now. Just leave those there for right now. Whoops. Oh. Oh yeah, I put them inside the back of the van. Alright. Who's ready to fight? Oh. Oh, I forgot I do reload. Silly me. Silly, silly, silly. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, that's so cool. I love this. Oh, that's so awesome. I love the new ragdoll effects. They're so much fun. I can't wait to start getting a horde to come over here. Oh, here they come. Oh, what's up, fellas? Alright, let's get a little bit away from the gas station. I'll try to fight here. Yeah, I heard the sound of it passing away. Oh, hey, look, our bag's here. Oh, I guess I'll get another bag as well. Oh, hi. Alright, I need to stop goofing off. I need to use the shotgun how it's meant to be used in a zombie apocalypse scenario. Hey guys, I'm right over here. Hi. Hello. Oh, I'm nervous. Too bad I didn't find those beta blockers before I got over here. I guess I can't be nervous when I don't see all the zombies behind me right now. Hey! Too bad they didn't add any other sounds, but whatever. I mean, if they add like running zombies, this tactic wouldn't be as effective, but it's still fun regardless. Alright, we're starting to get a nice little ball of them. Just gotta round them up. Just round them up. Because that's how you get double kills, triple kills, quadruple kills, pentakills. You know, like, you gotta get all of them. Yeah. Need to get some of these slow walkers a little faster. Yeah, pretty nice horde of them. Hear my heartbeat a little picking, alarmed. Well, yeah, you're probably nervous. Fighting a bunch of zombies. Probably not the best place to done that. Need to keep the bodies over here or something. Oh, it's a beautiful day to die. And I ran out of ammo right as I started singing. Alright, I'm doing pretty good on ammo right now. I need to... Honestly, I could probably just lure them away. That's probably the best option right now. Hello, friend. You're gonna be what I allure them with. I never did kill the one with that, thing on them, did I? One. Two. Three. Four. Twirl. Twirl, baby, twirl. Twirl, baby, twirl. Now Skyrim shuffle. Skyrim shuffle. Aw. Sup, random guy with a satchel? Or a gal, I guess. Oh, I found our bag. Literally right there. Oh, that's where our satchel fell. Probably smells gross. Alright. I'm having so much fun right now. I know ammo's like a really scarce thing in the zombie apocalypse, but I'm having so much fun right now. Oh, Bobby. It's a nice ball of them. Wait, why am I in pain? Oh, probably because I've been using a shotgun this entire time. Alright, well, I guess it's about time for me to make my exit. Guess I'll lead them this way. And not a moment too later, because I am about running low. I'm surprised I didn't level up any of my shooting, you know? Alright, that's all my ammo. Well, the town seems really clear now. Honestly, I should just loot while I can. Oh. I guess they still know where I'm at. Yeah. I guess you gotta reload before you can shoot again. Trying to get them to go this way more. How do I forage now? There it is. Investigation area. Alright, let's see if I can find anything on my way to the gas station again. Alright, fine. I don't want to mess with you anyways. 2 spiffo vans. That would be nice to be able to take. Man, they're still walking. Alright. Well, took care of our initial problem. Honestly, that's kind of what the shotgun should only be used for, is to lure them away. But I just wanted to have fun. And I still got plenty of ammo. So I'm not worried. Caterpillar. I'll just throw that in there. Huh, didn't really damage it. Man. I don't think it's ever going to be this clear. Alright, well, fuel's a limited thing, so I guess I'll just have to using it lovingly. Especially whenever you run out of fuel for the generators, then how do you preserve food? You don't. Alright. We have fuel. And now we have a vehicle filled with fuel. And then we can take our time looting. Thought I heard a zombie. And now we can take our time looting the gas station. Alright. I wonder if if that was everything. Yeah, I think I did a good job at clearing the area of zombies. Man, how much gasoline does this vehicle need? Tainted. Yeah, I guess I wouldn't want to drink gasoline either. Alright, cool. Now, we have a full tank of gas. I will fuel up this container. Oh, wow. You made your way here somehow. What's up, man? It's okay. It's okay. Nice. Now it smells bad. Well, definitely a lot less less room for gasoline or for looting. Also doesn't help I'm disorganized. Honestly, it's not that bad. I kind of thought it was going to be a lot worse for some reason. But gas station's all mine until the alarm goes off. Anybody home? Trash can, maggots, newspaper, comic books. Ooh, angler. That'll come in handy later. Is there any other kind of magazines that get me that? No. High value food because it gives me calories that won't let me starve to death. Actually, how's my weight doing? I am at 78 pounds. I need to consume some more calories. So while I'm here, let's eat some jelly bean or jubies. I know this is gonna be good for calories. Anything good in here? More water at least. Alright, they're both 1 liter bottles, so nothing really to write home to mama about, like my 2 liter one. Yeah. I'll go thirsty quick. More painkillers. Oh, fire extinguisher. That can get us into the gun store. That's convenient. That will definitely be helpful later. Also, I do think I'm going to turn this into my main base of operations. I just have to go back home. More chips. Man, I still aren't. My weight's still not going up. This is a really nice house. Really nice place to stay. I missed the 12 o'clock one, but oh well. Oh, is it still gonna error for some reason? Okay. Whatever. I didn't want to get anything anyways. Ooh, another pot? Well, I guess this place really is lucky. I got more pot. Which is ironically less water than the container in my hand. Oh well. It's also a good habit to fill containers with water. Because you never know when you're gonna be here. And you never know when you're gonna be thirsty. Sadly, there wasn't really much here. Still can't get that weight up. Yeah, if only making spears was easy. Can I fill these? No, they're just pans. Alright. So, I'm probably going to unload everything from the vehicle over to the new base area. Just gotta walk real fast while my health slowly goes down. I'll just throw everything down here. Oh, even more of those. Oh, it's nice. Throw that there, throw that there. Throw that down, throw the wrench down. I'll keep those. Throw all these inside my bag so I can put them in a better location. Ooh, Louisville? Don't care. Tire pump? Nice, but I already have one, but oh well. Can't help but have more, right? Another gas can. Another lug wrench and a wrench. Kind of funny to find two of them right there. Key? Key to something. Why can I not put on my key ring? Is it because I have too many keys? Is it because I have 12 residential keys? The key to the police station. Wow, I'm pretty proud to have that key. Don't really care about those. Nice vehicle keys. I'm gonna guess this is the key to here. Well, it's my new home, so I guess I better hold on to it. Plastic water bottle, only 1 liter. Hard candies and more food. It's nice. Oh, mechanics? Already read it. Riverside? Alright, that's a bonus. I wasn't really planning on going to Riverside anytime soon. I guess if I need a gas station, I would go there. But right now, I really don't care about it. Man, I got a lot of gas containers now. I'll be able to store a bunch of water and gas. Maybe 3 containers for water, and then the rest gas. That should probably be enough. I also do need to grab that that water cooler from the police station, which that's gonna be a chore. Oh yeah, I heard about the scratch tickets or something, like you can win or something. Scratch ticket. Oh. And then there's like a really rare, ultra rare chance that you can actually win the lottery and be the richest man, but you know. Loser. Dang. I didn't know I was going to be offended like that. Alright, so bleach holds 1 liter. Not really sure what that is, but whatever. Disposable lighter. Not bad. I'm gonna grab more food from around. Maybe I should also grab the water as well. I'm probably just gonna throw them inside that cooler over there. Oh. No, don't break my windows. Where are you? Oh, I see you now. Why would you do this? That was my window. I can't believe you would break my window like that. Alright, this is where you die. Ugh. Why are you so slow? Yeah, I hear you snorting in my ear. Angel Staples? I guess that's a name, right? Why does he have 2 IDs? Counterfeiter. I really do like how they made it so you actually have to, like, drag the corpses, because in real life, if you're one person dragging a corpse, it is probably not easy, because I've had to fireman carry multiple people in the past, and let's just say the human body, I mean, 200-pound man, good luck. That's it's a chore, and that's just their weight alone. That's not including the factors like what they're wearing or anything. So just like in Project Zomboid, the thought alone is wow. I also never did put my stuff in here, so I'll keep the, you know, I don't really think it matters. Oh. Well, good thing we got ourselves a new home, so I guess I can take a nap. I do need to empty out all these boxes before I bring all my stuff over here. Elbow pads. Nice. I have a full set. Guess it really doesn't matter where I put the junk. Ah, put my water in there. My good water, too. I think I can favorite it again now that I know what was wrong. I think it's about time I moved my vehicle from over there to down there again, though. Yeah, look at that full tank of gas. That puts a smile on my face. Wait. Hello? Wait. What? Why are you guys still here? Go home. I'm sure this is enough time to skip to another video, or maybe enough time where the stupid YouTube ad doesn't get you. Anyways, don't stop being you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okie Finoki, signing off.